Right, good morning everyone. Really quick video because I've got a lot to do today. Now, we have two kits, the red ones. There's quite a lot of the same in each one, but obviously some of the items are slightly different. So I'm just going to go through this kit with you. This was my sister, she put this kit together and I think she did really well. And we're trying to give out as much as we can that's all matching. So I'm going to go through the fabrics with you first. Oh, and we've got you something to alter. So you've got those. They're my old ones. There might be a little mark on that, but if you're covering it, it doesn't matter. It's MDF wood. So you've got one of those large to alter. Then you've got a large piece of this, which is the non-woven fabric, and it's beautiful. And it's got hearts on it, all different hearts. So I have to put this back as a kit. We've got this satin winey red, large piece of satin. Like that. And just going to fold that up. Oh, God, Joanne, you did a better job than I'm doing. Come on, mate. Yeah, she's doing really well and she's enjoying it as well, so my sister. Then we've got some red organza for you to play around with. So I'll just pop that on there. And then a piece of this red, it's only a small piece but it's big enough to go on that. The red lace. We didn't have much of that left, but I'm trying to give you as much as possible. Right, now we don't have anything like red lace or anything like that. I've ordered some, I'm waiting for it to come in, but unfortunately it's going to take a while. But what we do have is the super soft, it's really soft, pleated ribbon. So that's a nice trim, enough to do the bottom of that tag and or two tags, whatever. We've put one of these in, which is, I'll show you it. The gorgeous 3D, let me just get that bit off, 3D flowers, roses. Absolutely stunning they are. See? And do you remember when I said to you when we did the sewing kit, we put it on the transparent, or the paper, the dissolvable paper, and then you make your flower, embroider it, and then when you dissolve it, it comes out like that. That's how they do them. So we've got one of those. Really nice, that one. And then we've given you, let's have a look, see what we've got here. Oh, some of those, which is 3 of those little motifs in red, and then 3 satin, well, they're embroidered flowers, so you've got that as well. And then I've just put this in, beautiful red crystal, and it's a crystal trim. So you've enough to go on the bottom of that tag if you're making a tag. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I do apologise. Make a little bag for it. Should go in there. There you go. It's gorgeous crystal trim, that. Some red beads. It's a beaded necklace, so you can use it to go across as well. And she's added some of the large and small stamen, so you've got both. One of those, the red cluster. You've got the big acrylic gem, which you can spray. When you spray those, they do change colour. She's got you some single crystals in there, some red roses, and then you've got some little flowers to play around with as well. So, you know, there's quite a bit in it to say there's not much lace. Well, there's no lace. And then, oops, not finished. We just had to put everything together that we had that was red. So that's that. Earrings that's got red in that you can use in the middle of a flower. So you can get 2 flowers, make 2 and put one of, and they're red hearts. And then we've got those because they've got red bits in them. And a pair of red earrings that you can take off and use as dangle charms. I made these. But like I say, take the hook off and just use them as charms if you're making like a tassel or something like that. Now she's added 3 of the larger roses and 3 of those roses, the foam roses, and then you've 3 of the baubles as well. So a nice selection there. Also a large red heart. Now this will differ for the other kit, and it's like a keychain thing that you can use. And then some glass. Now the thing about these is they are glass, and if you don't want to keep it as a necklace and wear it, they're heavy. So these are all glass beads, but you've got small glass crystals in the middle. Okay, so you've got that as well. And then red beads, so you can, like, if you're covering a box, if you want to do cover a box with all of this and whatnot, you can use these as feet, you can use these to go on your tassel trims or whatever you want to do with them. And I can't find anything else red, so the price will fit what there is in the kit if you're interested, even if you bought it as a top-up. So that's it for that one. The other one's very similar. I'm going to show you that now. I don't want to undo both of them because it's silly. They are very similar. Oh, sorry, I haven't finished. Sorry, you've got those as well. So you've 6 stick pins and 1 ready-made. And that's what's in that kit as well. The jewellery is different, that's all. So if you're interested, run along to the shop and grab it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Speak to you all soon. I'm coming back because look, we've finished the ephemera kit, and there's heaps in it. And if you missed that kit, well, I did warn you. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.